Hi guys, this is Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am Bradley Worthington. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
What's up? So welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on all of my videos and tell me what you're thinking of what I've been doing so far. So in this video, I am simply going to be showing you how to remove color out of the 613 units. So as you can see, I'm using Gain baking soda, and I do not have it in this video, but I'm also using Dawn. And I'm simply going to bring some water in a pot to a boil. This is the wig before the color is removed. As you can see, the color is really stained. The lace, a client of mine did this on her own. So we're just going to pour the boiling water into the sink. We're going to add some baking soda. Try not to add too much so that the baking soda doesn't dry out the hair. I'm using a color brush to mix it all in, adding a generous amount of Dawn as well as Gain dish detergent. So if you know anything about color and hair, anytime heat is applied, heat opens the cuticle of hair, and coldness or coolness closes the cuticle. So basically what this process does is it opens the cuticle of the hair so that the hair will release the pigment that is in or on the hair shaft. So the water is pretty much boiling hot, and as you can see, just from sitting it in a couple times, the color is significantly removed. So I'm going to do this process all over again a second time so that I can get the hair more blonde. As you can see, it's like a rose gold, type of color. So I don't want it that color because I am going to be making this hair purple, red, and orange at the ends. So I want it to be as light as possible. So just watch as I do this process all over again. It's really simple to do. I've done it 1,000 times and it works on any color. You know, red is one of the most resistant colors to remove out of hair, and as you can see, the back of the unit had a lot of red in it, and that red is completely gone. We're just left with the purple pigment. So once again, I'm pouring the hot water in, and I'm going to be adding more baking soda to the water, a little bit more, and I am going to simply mix that in. I'm going to add the Dawn dish detergent and the Gain laundry detergent. I really don't know why this works, but it works. So I've been doing this for, at this point, years now, and it works on semi-permanent color. I haven't tried this way on permanent or demi-permanent color. It works perfectly on semi-permanent color with 613 hair. So again, the hot water opens the cuticle to release the color, and you can literally see the color being released into the water. That brown color that is appearing in the water, that is the mixture of all of the colors that are coming out of this unit, and you can see it's turning blonde right before your eyes. Now, I always dip the hair or do the hair in this dip motion. I've seen other people use, like, put the hair in boiling water, but in my experience, that just tangles up the hair and creates a bigger mess. And I'm just showing you, like, look at all that pigment that's in that water where the hair is being, or the color is being stripped out of the hair. So I'm just putting it back in the water once again so that it could, get all of that color out. I don't really care about that, faint purple color that's at the lace that you see, because in this particular unit, the base of it or the roots are going to be purple again. So I don't really care about that. So I'm really not trying to focus on getting the color out of the hair at the lace, because again, I'm coloring it purple. But as you can see, it is significantly lighter. I do this method again all the time. It works every time. So just keep watching. So as you can see, this unit definitely went right back to 613 for the most part. There are a few spots where the purple color or pigment is still there. It's significantly lighter than it was, but again, I'm coloring this unit purple again, so I didn't feel the need to continue to let it to process. So I'm showing you how I'm going to be dipping the motion that I'm going to be dipping the hair into the water. So all I'm doing is using faucet hot water to place in the sink, and I'm going to add the purple color. I'm doing the watercolor method for the base. I'm kind of like 50-50 on the watercolor method. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I hate it. It just really depends. When I'm doing this recording, I'm kind of being lazy, so I'm trying to take the quickest way out, because I know that for the next two colors I'm going to have to hand paint them on. So I'm doing the purple because it's just easier to go ahead and get everything at the base purple as quick as possible. So I'm just filling the sink with the water, the hot water from the sink, not boiling water, and I'm just adding the purple into it. And simply what I'm going to do is just dip the wig in the purple color. This is so simple. Like I'm sure like all of YouTube knows how to do this specific technique. So I won't be too intricate in how I'm explaining the details. It's just really simple. All you do is just take the hair and dip the hair that you want, whatever color you're dipping it into, you just dip it into it. So make sure that if you're doing like a color melt where the color transitions from one color to the next color, that you don't get any of the hair that's going to be another color into the water, because of course that color pigment is going to grab onto that hair. So what I'm doing is just swishing this hair around in the purple color. I'm adding a little bit more purple to it because I do want it to be very consistent, a nice deep dark purple. And just like that, she is as purple as I need her to be. And what I'm going to do next is just rinse it out until the water runs relatively clear, because I don't really want the purple bleeding onto the blonde hair. And as you can see at this piece right here, I accidentally let it get into the purple, so I'm going to change that. You'll see it in the video. But all I'm doing is adding on the red to the wig. So I'm fading it in, and again, like just in my previous videos, I'm using a vertical motion to apply this color, because again, applying color horizontally, to me, it just creates lines of demarcation that are just harder to blend in the end. So I apply vertically. so that with vertical strokes with my color brush, so that there are no lines of demarcation. So I am overlapping the crimson red from a door that I'm using into the purple. I think the color was called Violet Gem. So I'm overlapping it because I do want that nice transitional color. So it's going to be like where I'm overlapping the color, it's going to be like a burgundy red violet-ish color, like a purple red, and then it's going to fade down into, you know, the red, and then from the red it's going to fade into the orange. So just watch as I do this. I really love this color. I wasn't sure, you know, how much I was going to like it because this is my first time doing this color combination, but I really liked it. It turned out, you know, very good. So you won't see like the installation in this video, but you'll see it in the video that's coming probably this evening or tonight or tomorrow morning. I'll be posting that video where you can see like the installation and style, but just watch as I color this wig. Alright, so as you can see, the color is completely applied to this unit. It looks like a completely different unit than from the beginning. That's why I love this method. It's a purple fading into a burgundy red violet-ish color, fading into red, fading into a blood orange. So I'm not going to be doing the complete look on this video. That's going to be done on my next video that's coming out on Monday. So if you would like to see that, definitely watch that video. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss it. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.